Today I'll be showing you how to make his spaghetti recipe that is very easy and delicious. To get started, we are going to place a pot enough to cook your spaghetti and add cold water. Over high flame, you are going to let your water come to a boil. It's now time to add in our spaghetti. I'm dividing my spaghetti because I don't want them to be long when I'll be heating them. You can also cook them whole without dividing them, and I will give that I'll give the recipe on another video. When you're adding spaghetti, spread them. You will allow them separate as they cook. Use a fork to separate them fully, and this is the important part when preparing spaghetti. Make sure they are well separated as you wait for the water to boil again. Yeah, this is how you separate them using a fork. Don't be on hurry because it's the important part. When you are done separating them, they are now good to go. You give them time to cook. Covering it will make it cook faster, but now it has consequences because you have to close and open, close and open. As you can see, I'm fighting with mine here. So it's just okay when you don't cover it. It's just very okay because it will not disturb you. Checking on my spaghetti, I'll give them a pinch and I'll give them a minute. After a minute, my spaghetti are ready now. We are going to put off our flame and go on to the next procedure. Using this kind of a basin, we are going to sieve our spaghetti. Pour in cold water and sieve them again. the same sufuria, I'm going to add cooking oil and heat it. It's now time to add in our spaghetti, and this is the last procedure. Then mix them with the oil very, very well. And guys, our spaghetti is ready. I'm going to take mine with the beef stew. They are ready. You can see them. They look delicious. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Like, share, and comment. And thank you for watching.